If you're waiting for the perfect time, let me save you some trouble. It doesn't exist. The clock is ticking, your dreams are fading, and every day you wait is a day you'll never get back. So let me ask you, are you going to keep watching life from the sidelines? Or are you finally going to step onto the field? We tell ourselves stories like, I'll start when I'm ready, or I'll chase my dream after things settle down. But here's the truth. Things never settle down. The world won't pause, so you can prepare. Opportunity doesn't send you a calendar invite. It shows up unannounced and disappears the moment you hesitate. I once met a man who told me, one day, I'll write my book. That was 10 years ago, and he still hasn't started. Not because he's lazy, but because he's been waiting for the right time, a time that never came. Meanwhile, I met a woman with an idea for a small business. She didn't know everything. She didn't have the best equipment, but she started anyway, learning as she went. Now, her business supports her family, and she's living the life she used to dream about. The difference? Action beats perfection every single time. Waiting feels safe, but it's actually the most dangerous thing you can do, because the longer you wait, the stronger fear becomes. Momentum works both ways. When you act, you build confidence. When you stall, you build doubt. So here's what you need to do. Decide today. Pick one thing you've been putting off and commit to starting it within the next 24 hours. Break it down into the first tiny step. Write the first sentence. Make the first call. Create the first design. Kill the excuses. Every I'll start when is just fear in disguise. Replace it with, I'll start now, and I'll learn along the way. Tell someone your goal so you can't back out, and celebrate progress, not perfection. You'll never be ready. But you don't have to be ready. You just have to start. The perfect time is not next week, not next month, not someday. It's right now. In the end, you won't regret the chances you took. You'll regret the ones you didn't. So stop waiting, start living, and take action today. Your future self is begging you for it.